Si Sanlu. Parang energy na natin kasama. Parang si Chloe lang yung may energy. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, and Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony Chestnut knows. So, winner! Kayo, halos halikan na ni Chloe yung lapag. Kayo naman, pinanonood nyo lang siya. Ayan, Chloe, you're the winner. You may go. Sarot lang, Chloe. Oh, you stay there. Stay there. Then good night. Stay there. So, what's the feeling of a winner?
Oh, I mean, I've been waiting for a dream like this my whole life.
It's a dream come true.
Really, a dream come true.
You find your dream here in the Philippines.
Here, on this stage, right now.
This fly right now. Not in the Philippines, specifically in this stage. Yeah. Yes, right in this plywood. So, with this stage, thank you, Chloe. Halika na. Thank you for that.